Out of curiosity, I just wanted to try and find material that matched the color of the Flycraft in case I needed to do some repairs. This is the Stealth X, probably purchased around 2022. I can't remember exactly, so it's a few years old. I don't know if this is still the same material. This product is from defender.com called Defender 1100 Decitex PVC. So I think this is their own branded product in dark gray. And this, both the texture and the color, to me look identical. It's just this new material has much more of a sheen than the main hull. Seems to be the same color as these reinforcement parts, but the texture on these is smooth. So I don't know enough about this to say whether this is a same material but a different finish or a different material. This right here, this piece, is Star PVC 1000 Decitex in dark gray. You can see the item number there from nrs.com, and it's darker. And then I don't think this matches the 1100 Decitex strength that I believe Flycraft says they use. Not that it maybe matters for a patch. As far as the floor goes, I also ordered, this is from defender.com. It's their Haku branded PVC 1100. And it, just like the other Defender product, the texture seems the same. The color is obviously different. This is the Star PVC 1000 Decitex from nrs.com. And that's a much closer color match. Still probably a little darker. But you can see, so I'm sure all of these materials are great for patching. It's just, if you wanted to match the color, at least on the hull, again, the Defender looks like a almost perfect match. So